everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because the first balloon centerpiece video turned out so well and a lot of you liked it and I got a lot of positive comment from it. So today I decided to recreate another video for you. I hope you like it. Please if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, let me know what you think, and if you want to know how I made or achieved this wonderful centerpiece, please keep on watching. Without wasting so much time, let's jump right into it. So one of the materials I used to make this centerpiece was a gold centerpiece. It was made of 2 hula hoop, a round wood board and a foam board. Please, if you want to know how I made this or achieved this, please comment down below, or better still check out my previous video. You will also be needing the black and yellow balloon. I don't know how many, but please, you need enough. Then we'll also need an electric balloon pumper. Like I said, it's optional. If you don't have it, you could use your mouth. I mean, who cares? Thanks be to the Lord Most High, I didn't forget the flowers today, and yes, I'll be using flowers to make the centerpiece. You also need a pair of scissors and a black thread, so let's get right into it. I can't wait, please. So I started off by inflating the balloons with the electric balloon pumper, and guys, like I said, it's optional. You could use your mouth if you want. After which, I went in with a thread to use to secure my balloons. Now, you want to make sure your balloons are small and sizable so that they could fit in properly in between the hula hoop. Yes, you don't want to force your way through. You want to gently and carefully place the balloon in between it. That's just it. It's as simple as ABC if you just follow the process. Well, as you can see, guys, I'm almost done with the upper part of the centerpiece and it's time to face the down part. So all I'm going to do is just start blowing in some air into the other balloons and let's get the centerpiece ready. Please don't mind my arrangement. I was just trying to see or have a glimpse of what my centerpiece would look like when the whole balloons are arranged down properly at the center of the centerpiece. So please don't mind me, guys. Now what you want to do is take the balloons and join them with a thread. You want to kind of form a mini balloon guard. Yeah, did I get that right? Yes, you want to form that and tie it across or around the centerpiece. Yes, like I always say, please guys, use the fish line. It is more preferable and better and very hard to detect. I mean, the black thread didn't help me at all. I wasn't happy about it because I couldn't find one. That is why I had to use this thread. Please, for your own sake, please, if you want to recreate this, just use the fish line. It's way better. Now what you want to do next is you want to carefully and gently insert the flowers in between the balloons, and there you have it. There isn't much to do. I mean, this balloon centerpiece is easy but very tricky. And voila, here it is. Now, can you believe that as simple as this project could be, I encountered some difficulties? Like, just wait. I encountered some difficulties. Like I won't even lie. You know what? Let's just rewind. Let's take it back. where it all started from. So after securing my balloons, and I was trying to see how I could carefully and gently insert the balloons in between the hula hoop, it just wouldn't stay. Like, it kept falling, kept wobbling, the hula hoop kept shaking. I didn't know where I got it all wrong. Like, I was so frustrated, guys. Like, the frustration was real, but thanks be to God, I was able to find a way around it. I mean, if you should encounter such kind of difficulty, what I would advise you to do is go in with a rope and try to secure both ends. I repeat, you need to go in with a rope and secure the ends of your centerpiece. Like, you're going to do the same thing on the other side and make sure it is firm and tight. Like, you want to tie your rope around the centerpiece very tight, and that will help keep your balloon in place. And I also did that. I also went in with a thread to secure the middle part, and also if you look closely at the video, you will notice I also secured the left hand side and the right hand side. Like I always say, guys, please, I recommend the fish line. It will help make your work neater. Like, I was so angry about not using it because I couldn't find one. That was why I had to use the black thread. Please make use of the fish line if possible, please. This is the final look, guys, and I'm so happy and excited how it turned out to be so far. Please let me know what you think. I really hope you like this. Please comment, share, like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let me know what you want me to do. If there's anything you want me to recreate, I'll be so glad and happy to do so. I'll be reading your comments down below. Let me know what you think. I hate to say this, guys, but I have to go. Until when next I see you on my next video. But until then, bye. I love you.